interest rate is again a very important indicators, and in future, okay, in the next 2 to 3 or 4 years, this will play a very important role in the Indian markets, in all Indian securities markets or in any other markets, financial markets basically. Interest rate will play a very important role in upcoming years. Why it is very important? Because there is a huge amount of money which has been flown. Okay, like flown means like it's there in the economy nowadays, because government have given a lot of money, not just in India but all over the world. Central banks have flooded the money in the economy because the economy is not performing. Okay, because of the COVID crisis, and therefore since there is a lot of money in the economy, okay, now this money has to come back to those central bankers, right? So how they will come back to the central bank? By increasing the interest rate. So if they will increase the interest rate, people will start again investing in the banks, okay, to get the interest rate from the banks at a higher rate. So the central bank will start rising the interest rate again back, right? And the money will come back to central bank. So the only solution to back those money which has gone to the economy, to bring back those money to the central bank, okay, if they don't do, what will happen? The inflation will shoot up. So they are, at some point of time, they have to bring back that particular money, the supply of money which they have put in the economy. They have to bring back that money back, right? So for that, they have to increase the interest rate. Now, what will happen if there is an increase in the interest rate? If there's an increase in the interest rate, the borrowing of the companies will also, the borrowing cost of the company will also increase. Okay, so any company who has borrowed a loan from the banks, what will happen? Their interest cost will increase. And therefore, that will have an impact on the profitability of the company, earnings of the company. And therefore, the market will not perform well. Why? Because the company's profitability have now become lower because of the increase in the interest rate. So this increase in the interest rate have a direct impact on the company's profitability and on the markets. So if you can, now we are in the lower interest rate regime. I think so we are in such a regime, and in the last 20, 30 years, we have never seen such a low interest rate in our economy. And therefore company is cheering. Why? Because the company who have taken a huge amount of borrowings from the banks, they have to pay a lower interest rate nowadays. And since they have to pay a lower interest rate, their earnings also does very well. So you can see the market is going happy, okay? The market is increasing because of the lower interest rate and a lot of money available in the markets. So this interest rate will have a huge impact in the upcoming years, because central bank at some point of time needs to increase that particular interest rate. Okay, and then when they start rising the interest rate, the money will come back to the central bank. As a lower supply of money, the interest rate will leads to increasing borrowing cost of the company and impacts the profitability of the company. Somewhere the market will not be happy with that, right? So that's lots of people say that market is going to get correct in future. Okay, market at some point of time will have lead to the correction, but there will be a correction in the markets because of these factors, economic factors. Okay,